Hi guys, and welcome to the Work From Home channel, where today we're going to cover part 7 of the job search site series. So let's jump right into it. Google. Yes, plain Google. Google is your friend, absolutely. So Google, of course, it will provide an array of jobs from different search engines like Career Builder and Monster. Indeed jobs, though, are not always included in this, so it's better to use the actual Indeed.com website for those. You can, just like other sites, you can narrow your search results. You can view reviews on different companies, save and send jobs, and then of course set up alerts for them. So to use Google for your job search, what you would do is just type in google.com. It will bring up a page like this. It will list different websites, of course, that have options for working at home. So for today, I want to focus on this section for jobs here. So these are the jobs that Google has collected from different search engines here. So I have an alert saved to work from home. I have two saved jobs that I have put to the side so I can apply for later. And then here I have the option to create alerts. If you look here, you will actually see the different categories or options that you can choose from in order to narrow your results a little bit further here. So looking at this here, as you can see, this is a remote job, and this was posted by Stack Overflow 3 days ago, and it's work from home and of course full-time. So if I wanted to save this job, to apply later, I would just click this ribbon here. So to give you an idea of kind of what it will look like if you go and select one of these options, you can see that you can still see, so up here you can see where I have so up here again, you can see here as well, you can see it. Over here, it's going to bring up the different results again, a more expanded view of the results that you searched for before. Over here, you can see the overview of the actual job itself. You can get additional information on what they expect and what they're looking for, kind of things like that to figure out if it's going to be the right fit for you. You can also report this listing if it's not accurate. Down here, you can see the typical pay for this type of work. It'll list that there. Different reviews down here. Also, you can see the actual website for this. You can search for more jobs at Semantic, and then you can also see the web results for Semantic Bits if you click on that. So going back to the top, this will give you the different options and websites on where this is located for you to apply for that job. Here it will give you the option to actually send this job, whether it be Facebook, Twitter, or email, or to copy that to send it to someone that you believe may be interested. Back up at the top, you can see here where it lists all of the categories that are available for job searching. It will give you different titles. That way you can narrow it down by the search of what you were looking for. New to you would mean that it would, because I haven't been here, it would show all of the results here. And results that I haven't seen yet based on my new search criteria, it would actually link those here. If you click that date posted, of course, you can narrow it down a little bit more. Type, this will give you, the full-time, contractor, part-time, internship. Company type would list the job category. And then, of course, employer. Different employers that do actually hire for work from home job. So there is quite a bit that you can do, and there are many benefits that are available to using Google for job searching. Of course, I have only covered some of the basics, so if you do see something that I have missed, or if you have any additional information, please feel free to leave a comment below, as this will only assist others in their job search. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on that bell notification to know whenever I post new videos. And as always, happy job hunting.